Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So here in this video I'm going to show you where to get the epic presents in Fishits. So these rare gifts contain the best rewards in a Christmas update, but they are much harder to find than the common or uncommon presents. So I actually only got it once, and let me show you how you can get it. So for the roads that I'm using the Ghost Wind road with a chroma bait, and for the exact location, this is how the epic present will look like. And for the location, you can just go inside the Christmas cave when it's open. So there are two fishing spots in the Christmas cave, the one at the top like I do in here, and the other one you'll spot another fishing spot here at the bottom of the cave. So let's go downstairs. So this is the second fishing spot, and this is where I got the epic present. So guys, thank you so much for watching. That's pretty much all. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. I'll see you in the next one.